Hey guys, this is just a real quick video on how to replace a window switch on the driver's side of a 2008 Kenworth W900. It's this switch controls your left side, right side windows up and down. This one here, the windows would work on the left side, up and down. On the passenger side, it would just come up. You couldn't roll it down, so I had to replace this. So if you have that issue, it could just be your switch. Well, I've already replaced mine, and so I just wanted to show you how to get these off. See these little silver tabs right here? Got one on both sides. Squeeze those together, and they come in, I don't know, get my video turned around here. And they come in right through here. Take this panel loose here, and it pops straight out. Pops straight out right there. It's really not difficult once you push those tabs. Know to push those tabs in, and it's not these tabs. However, it's these tabs. I would turn this camera around. I ain't figured out how to do that shit yet, so this is what you got. So anyway, if you need to know how to replace one, this is the way. Squeeze those tabs, take your panel off, squeeze them, pull it out, put it back in, plug it up, windows up and down, you're good to go. Hope this was helpful.